Right, first leg, John, we're on our way to Gordons Bay, beautiful part of the Western Cape, Gordons Bay. In actual fact, one of those beaches that you want to go to in summer because tourists tend to flock to the popular beaches closer towards the city, and coming out to Gordons Bay, very busy during summer, but just a lekker beach to get away from. You won't find many tourists there, it's more of the locals that come out there. So Gordons Bay is the first stop, and it's a nice meander, John. All the cars are basically in convoy. We're riding decently. There's no such thing, people, to your point earlier on, think Porsche Club Run, you guys are going to go out and they're going to put their cars to their paces. It's just a gathering of like-minded enthusiasts to get together and go on a nice, gentle outing with their vehicles.
Yeah, you can see this morning we have a nice chat around the car park. You got this wealth of cars sitting there in the parking lot, and we just chat about what new models, what cars are coming out. The kids are chatting, and it's just very relaxed, casual. I'm quite surprised at the turnout in these conditions. I think I counted over 20 cars, which is great. And yeah, as we're driving through now, we're doing the speed limit. Everyone's in convoy, and we're going to a great spot. The Gordons Bay Yacht Club there is really stunning. And then we'll park there, have a coffee, have a cappuccino, and then chat some more. Talk about what the new cars that are coming out. The guys like to share about what they potentially want to buy next, and just general chat about life. So it's exciting. And then obviously where the real run actually starts is the run along Gordons Bay through Royal Isles to Benguela Cove, which is just at any speed, it is beautiful along that coastline. It's a real driver's coastline. So I'm looking forward to that. And obviously in these Porsches, it's just even more spectacular.
Porsche Cape Town, it's the annual club outing, or the first of the year for the Porsche Club of Cape Town with the president, Pierre Goos. Pierre, what a great day to get out with the Porsche Club of Cape Town.
Nice, fun day for everybody. Time to stretch those cars' legs, get them out on a bit of a longer run.
The Porsche Club, specifically Cape Town, that you've now the president of, are very big on family and gatherings like this. It's something that you do not just once a year, but it's a common occurrence for the club.
Yeah, so from our side, we've tried to change the club a little bit, make it a little bit more modern. So not just the older crowd of people, but to get the youngsters and get the kids involved as well.
You've also got expertise on your committee, like Jon Williams here. You've got guys that have never, been behind the wheel of their Porsches on any kind of track days, etc. And a part of the club experience is to do that, to bring these guys out with their cars, to be able to help the Porsche Club, and specifically those owners of a vehicle that got these highly competent vehicles, these incredible machines, and a lot of the time the people don't know how to drive them.
Yeah, I think it's the same for me as it is for them. We share this passion for Porsche, passion for the cars. So it's great, we have all kinds of people coming here, and we discuss things about whether it's driving fast or what they can do to upgrade the cars, whether the sound of the cars. We have that interaction in terms of, like, now we had the wet weather, so it's, I can give a bit of advice. Be careful when putting the power down, watch out for standing water, the car might aquaplane. So the guys love that. And then we have our track days where we really get involved and we teach the guys how to drive and be safe. It's not about driving fast, it's about being safe and enjoying these cars, like Pierre said earlier on. It's about coming out in all kinds of weather, enjoying the car, because that's what the guys buy them for, is to experience it. That road, you wouldn't drive along there normally. How spectacular with that scenery and that coastline. And these cars are made for that, just a stunning outing. And then you can sit here, have a nice lunch or breakfast, experience some places you wouldn't normally go to. So that's what we're trying to do. I think Pierre really goes out of his way to find different routes, different venues, and it's a nice outing for wife, kids, husband, everybody, It's a really good day out.
John, here we are, Benguela Cove, and the nice thing is we've just met the people that own the place. They've invited us back. We can come spend some time here. So looking forward to coming back and spending time out here. But importantly, a great end to a phenomenal ride out here on some of the best roads in the Western Cape.
Yeah, we've come to so many great venues over the years, and we try and always mix it up and come to places that you wouldn't normally come to. So, driving here, the whole experience of coming from Cape Town all the way out here along these beautiful roads, driving these beautiful cars. It's what it's all about. And there's something for everyone. You know, like some of the kids might complain, oh, Dad, you know, I've got to come all this way out here. But now they've got putt-putt, they've got jungle gym, so they're happy. The wives are happy, glass of wine, relaxing, have a nice lunch, and then drive slowly home. It's great
what
experience.
a way to spend a Sunday. If you've enjoyed this, like, subscribe. If you'd like to know more about the Porsche Club or the Western Cape or Cape Town, click in the link below. But like I said, John and I will be back with more of this great content next week. Take care.